everyone, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. Today I want to show you a flip through of this new colouring book from French artist Amandine Jung. I've been following Amandine for a while and she's kindly sent me a PDF copy to review for you all. This is actually her first book release and the title is Blanche-Neige, which is based on the fairy tale Snow White. And here is my first coloured page from the book. There are 30 images to colour, which include Snow White, the Evil Queen, the 7 Dwarfs and other characters. I love the style of Amandine's illustrations. They aren't real cutesy. I think her style is quite unique and the pictures are nicely detailed, just how I like it. Now this is the PDF version. There is also a hard copy. I can't attest to the paper quality without seeing it for myself, but it is listed as 190 GSM. It is 21 by 29.7 centimeters in size, and with the first release there are only 200 physical copies and all are numbered and signed. I will put some links down below on where to order this book and how you can follow Amandine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all again soon. Bye!